I am Jacopo Palermo. I'm the CEO of Costing Group. Costing Group is an Italian real estate developer with a very focus on industrial activities. Our ambition for the city of Bergamo is to be the leader in this urban regeneration trend which is going on I would say in almost all of Europe. Bergamo city is a very sparkling city and it is, the best land, the best place where to drive innovation and to do an innovative paradigm of real estate.
The integration of technology can have quite a significant impact on the built environment and the knock-on effect on the community that lives within that environment and within that wider city as well. And so technology and the efficiency that you can drive through technology really allows better user experience, a better experience and a better interaction with the environment that you live in.
When technology is being used, that's inherently involving kind of collection of quite a lot of data about residents and the way in which they use the space. So making sure that that data is being used in a way that really as a minimum is compliant with kind of applicable privacy legislation.
Technology is a main driver in the decarbonization of Chorus Life Bergamo, so our smart district and the city of course of Bergamo. We are using technology in order to manage the building energy management system, so to foresee consumptions and to handle our power generation plant in the most efficient way and reducing the consumption of gas. And of course we have also 0.8 megawatt of installed power of renewables and namely photovoltaic panels.
The opportunities that arise out of smart city projects are manifold and very interesting. Actually, you have to bring together different skills that are normally not that much integrated. For instance, my colleague and I are normally work in very separate areas, and for this project we had to work really closely together to bring solutions to the client.
The main legal implications, which means both legal challenges and also opportunities, are related to how to tackle all the data issues, taking into account what the clients want, what the clients will intend to do in the future, the current legislation that the European lawmaker is constantly producing.
We are already working on the scale up. We already have two more developments, one in Liguria that has a more touristic vocation, another one with a more business flavor which is in Milan. And still we are developing new opportunities on the market. We believe that Chorus Life can be very modular and very flexible, and so it can be scaled up mainly in all Europe, I would say.
We're supporting them with all regulatory issues in relation to the energy generating capability of the smart district and how energy will be handled across the district and how that will be factored into the contracts. And
IP and data, which means all the issues concerning intellectual property and in particular data, which means both personal data and non-personal data, in order to understand how to maximize the exploitation of this information. Basically, there are different layers of assistance. The first one, each strategic layer of assistance, namely understand which companies should control information, which is their role, and how to maximize also in the mid-long term monetization of this information. Secondly, let's say the regulatory layer concerning how the strategy can be achieved, so which legal instruments, whether it is feasible, level of risk and so on. And the third one, try to find new ways to convey this information to the data subject and to the users of the smart city district.
Osborne Clark was providing us all together the practices that we needed, so a good integration of the real estate, energy and intellectual property practices of legal firms, and they have been our let's say our Sherpa to face all the challenges as far as legal framework is concerned.